Today, we're taking a first look at the 2026 Toyota RAV4, Toyota's next-generation compact SUV that's already creating a lot of buzz. The 2026 RAV4 introduces a completely refreshed exterior design while staying true to the rugged identity fans love. Up front, the SUV features sharper LED headlights, a more sculpted grille, and a confident, modern stance that aligns with Toyota's latest design language. The body lines are cleaner and more angular, giving the RAV4 a tougher, more premium look. Expect multiple trims with distinct personalities, urban-focused models with sleek accents, and adventure-oriented trims that lean into Toyota's off-road heritage. One of the biggest changes for 2026 is what's under the hood. Toyota is expected to move the RAV4 to a hybrid-only lineup, reflecting the brand's commitment to efficiency and sustainability. Drivers can expect improved fuel economy, smoother acceleration, and refined performance compared to the outgoing generation. Inside, the 2026 RAV4 steps into the future. The cabin is expected to feature a fully digital instrument cluster, a larger central touchscreen, and Toyota's latest infotainment system with faster response and improved graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air software updates. Materials throughout the cabin feel more upscale, with improved fit and finish designed to elevate everyday driving. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 represents a bold step forward for one of Toyota's most iconic vehicles. With updated styling, hybrid-focused performance, advanced technology, and improved safety, it's shaping up to be one of the most well-rounded SUVs on the market. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you choose the 2026 RAV4 over its competitors? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.